When it comes to cooling towers and steam boilers, the one thing you want as a maintenance manager is peace of mind to know your systems are operating smoothly. At State, we provide that worry-free operation and dependable service with our line of StayWatch monitoring systems. StayWatch uses IoT technology to give you remote access and control of your systems. With 24-hour visibility and automated alerts, State representatives are notified instantly of system changes. StayWatch provides constant oversight to ensure chemical feed, connectivity control, and system settings are remaining optimized. Taking a closer look at each system, let's start with the StayWatch Cooling Tower Monitor. This system offers remote monitoring, biocide feed management, chemical monitoring, connectivity, and total dissolved solids tracking to maintain optimal cycles of concentration. 3 chemical feed pumps are provided, and detailed reporting ensures your state representative can respond quickly to system needs, keeping operations running smoothly. Next, the StayWatch Cooling Tower Monitor Pro offers active chemical measurement, control of biocide feed and inhibitor products, remote inventory monitoring, total dissolved solid and conductivity settings, automated alerts and reports sent to your state chemical rep on chemical levels and system status, and also includes 3 chemical feed pumps. Now what about your boiler room? The StayWatch Steam Boiler is a comprehensive system designed to manage steam boiler connectivity and chemical injection with precision. It enables continuous remote monitoring and control of TDS levels while tracking chemical feed relay performance. Automated alerts and customized reports are delivered directly to your state representative. It helps maintain boiler efficiency and protect equipment through real-time monitoring and automated chemical feed adjustments. Ideal for facilities relying on consistent steam generation, it offers peace of mind and system balance in demanding industrial environments. With our StayWatch systems, we'll be your eyes, diligently monitoring your facility around the clock so you can get back to doing what you do best. Now, visit www.stateindustrial.com to check out our StayWatch systems and more.